Hola! Welcome to my channel. This is B Dinero in the house. We're gonna do a little bit of hair. I already posted this on my Instagram, but this one's on in like a little bit slow motion, so you get to see how I really do it. You want to comb out your hair. I think this is day one, day two dirty hair. The dirtier the hair, the better the curl holds, I feel. So you're gonna spray it with a little bit of hairspray. I just found whatever I had in my bathroom. But when you spray, you want to make sure okay, don't burn yourself like I did. You want to make sure you rake it through so your curl has the better hold. And when you curl, you're curling inward. I feel like that gives me the most volume and it just sets better around my face. Yeah, 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 yeah. I must have been listening to La Chona or something Mexican. So now you're just going to pin your curls up so they don't get in the way, and it just helps keep the curl nicer and fluffier. So the goal here is to just keep going pieces by pieces. You want to look like Doña Florinda at the end. That's the ultimate goal. No se vayan a quemar porque I always burn myself. It takes a long time to do hair sometimes. I love it, but man, I'm drinking some agua because bitches get hot. So now I think I let my hair set for like 15, 20 minutes. Usually, ow, don't pull your greñas like that. Hella rough. Be a little bit more careful than I am. Um, I usually would have done my hair first and then my makeup, but I was in a hurry, so I was just doing it as I went. That's a lot of clips in there. Dang. Anyways, see how it's like I look like Superman in the front with that chino? That's how I like my curls to come down my face. So I'm grabbing a little bit of weedette oil. This smells so good, dude. I put it all in my roots. My roots. I can't speak. Oh my god. I put it in my roots and I fluff my hair up. It just helps give me. You know what? I'm not gonna talk anymore because clearly this is the worst voiceover in life. Anyways, it makes my hair hella shiny, and I just fluff it up. I naturally have frizzy hairs. I don't mind it. Dang, make sure you get the bonus 5 tons of hairspray like I did so your curls are a little bit more fluffier. Oh, a little boob action. Okay. I always tilt my head forward and then I just like kind of like scrunch my hair up because I feel like it gives me a little bit more volume. Pero ahí estamos. Chula.